You need to hear this if you're a space buff. The ISS is cooler than you think. The International Space Station, ISS, is a marvel of human ingenuity. But how did it all start? In 1984, President Reagan called for a space station to be built in collaboration with international partners. Fast forward to 1998, the first module, Zarya, launched into orbit. This Russian-built module was the cornerstone of what would become a colossal structure spanning a football field. Next came NASA's Unity module, linking Zarya with other future modules. Over a decade, countries like Canada, Japan, and the European Space Agency added their own pieces, making the ISS a true global effort. Today, it's a bustling hub of scientific research, home to astronauts from all over the world. And guess what? It orbits Earth every 90 minutes, giving its crew 16 sunrises and sunsets a day. The ISS isn't just a space station, it's a testament to what humanity can achieve when we work together. Keep looking up. If you enjoyed this journey through space, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content.